Hi everyone! Today I will show you the lighting setup of two softboxes you can use for the family portrait shoot. Have fun!
I'm shooting with my Sony A7R III. I'm using here the prime 85mm lens from Sigma Art 1.4 for portrait, the perfect one. I'll be using two Godox Speedlites, one at 1/8 power as my main light and another at 1/4 power behind the subjects for contrast and separation. Let's go step by step and I'll show you how it's set up. 1. Camera settings. Shutter speed 1/160th second to sync perfectly with the flashes. Aperture f 3.5 to keep both faces sharp while softly blurring the background. ISO 200 to keep noise low and maintain clean tones. For family portraits, make sure to use IAF and focus on the eyes of the person closest to the camera. 2. Main light, key light. My main light is a Godox Speedlight at 1/8 power inside a 180cm softbox with a white interior and double diffusion. It's positioned at about 45° angle from the camera and slightly above eye level, tilted downward. This setup gives beautifully soft, even light across the faces and eliminates harsh shadows. The large softbox creates a natural window light look perfect for family and holiday portraits. We need to place the key light so that the edge of the softbox lines up with the subject's face. That way the light will fall across the face perfectly and we won't get any harsh shadows. Those are more suitable for dramatic shots. 3. Backlight, separation light. The second light is another Godox Speedlight at 1/4 power inside a 140cm softbox. It's placed behind the subjects, off to the side, aimed slightly toward their backs and hair. This adds subtle separation and depth, helping the subject stand out against a bright background. 4. Background and composition. I'm using a bright neutral background decorated with winter greens and subtle holiday elements. The family is dressed in light tones, whites and creams to keep the whole image clean and cohesive. You can add gentle snowflake effects later in post-production for a festive touch. 5. Pro tips: if your background gets too bright, reduce the rear light power slightly to 1/8. Set your white balance manually around 5400 to 5600 Kelvin for clean, natural colors. And that's it. With just two lights and large softboxes, you can create beautiful, soft and natural portraits, perfect for the holidays. Make sure to shoot in RAW instead of JPG, otherwise you risk losing significant detail. And that's it! With just two lights and large softboxes, you can create beautiful, soft, natural-looking family portraits, perfect for the holidays. If this video brought you value, make sure to like, comment and subscribe so we can keep creating more photography content for you. And if you want to dive deeper into editing, you'll find the link to all our editing tutorials in the description below.